Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to get the zero gravity hand cannon easy method. Start by launching the mission area and equipping a long-range weapon for knockback control. Aim for the low gravity zones and use short bursts to minimize recoil and maintain trajectory. Swap to a high-impact ammo type before the final shot to maximize lift effects and secure the weapon quickly. Practice the timing to repeat this method reliably. Position yourself at spawn edges to exploit respawn knockback and keep distance to avoid early damage. Use cover between bursts and time jumps to sync with gravity shifts. Monitor enemy positions and conserve ammo by firing 3 to 5 shot bursts only when lift is achievable. Communicate with teammates for distractions and revive opportunities to pick up the hand cannon before timers reset. Practice in private matches to refine movement and aiming under pressure. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker adds clear audio and voice controls to your setup and fits any desk space. It is great for alert tones and background music during sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, it helps the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Many players waste ammo by firing continuously outside gravity windows, which prevents lift and alerts enemies early. Do not chase down drops without checking flanks, as you risk being flanked and losing the weapon. Avoid panicking in final seconds and make calm, calculated shots to secure the hand cannon and extract safely. Review demos after each run to spot pattern mistakes and tweak loadouts for better control next attempt regularly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.